my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in tonight, Lois Nichols. Come join me. Come join me. Tonight, I'm just about to use my Atomy Brightening Mask, okay? We have 3 Daily Expert Masks. We've got the Brightening, we've got the Firming, and we've also got the Moisturizing, okay? Now, like I always say, whenever I do my videos, if you're using the Firming, please be very careful, because I used the Firming for just 1 week and I literally felt my skin was like, tight, firm, and when I smile, like, I could feel like the skin was almost like ripping. Trust me, because I just was using it every day for good 7 days. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, if you can use it twice a week, all well and good, and then give yourself some breathing space. Maybe next week you can use it once or twice a week again, but don't do like every single day for 7 days. Trust me, don't do that. Okay, all right. I like to use the firming mask when I have maybe an event and I just want to firm my my skin a bit, and get that firmness, get that elasticity, and get that good tone on my skin. So I use the firming mask. Okay, so tonight I'm going to be using the brightening mask because it's my favorite. Okay, it's my favorite. This will not firm the skin, but it just gives you a very nice glow. Okay, especially if you're a social media person and you're always out there, out and about, and people look up to you and all that. You want to always be on point with your look and everything. Okay, go for the brightening one. Okay, that's why it's my favorite. Okay, so this is the brightening one, and obviously you've got the moisturizing one. I always encourage those who have dry skin to try the moisturizing one. Okay, if you've got very dry skin, that is a good one for you to use. Okay, so I'm trying to open up the mask. Okay, you can see it's a bit yucky. It's all the nutrients and everything that has been infused into this mask to nourish your skin and give it that lovely tone that we all love. Okay, so this is me opening up my mask. Okay, opening up my mask, and that is me. I'm just gonna get, because there's a part of it that needs to come off once I get the mask on my face. So I'm just trying to make sure I get an opening for that. Okay, you will see what I'll do later on. There's a net I need to pull out. Okay, so I've got an opening for that. The last time I was looking for the net. I was like, where is this? Anyway, so this is me now putting on the Daily Expert Mask, and I'm putting on the brightening. Like I said, we have it in 3 forms. We have it in the firming, we have it in the moisturizing, we have it as the brightening. So do you see? It sets really good on the face. Okay, nice, right? That's it. Okay, and just press it in. But remember, like I said, I'm gonna have to take off the top part of it, which is like I was looking for it earlier on. Okay, I hope I find it. It's a bit slippery. Okay, that's it. So you take out that part of it. Okay, the protective net covering, you don't need that. Okay, so you take that out, and I'm just gonna shove that there, and then get your mask set on your face. Okay, all right. I love it because it just fits nice on your face. Okay, oh, I've got a friend really desperately trying to reach me. I've got a friend trying to reach me on my phone. Oh gosh, why is it every time you're on the phone, that's when you get people, or you're doing a video, that's when you get people really trying to reach you? And my phone has been silent all day, okay? And now I get on the video, I'm getting calls from everybody, you know? So that's it, nice. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm kind of triggering. I want my skin to be able to absorb all that essential nourishment and nutrient, okay? So I'm pampering my skin by just doing that. I'm aiding absorption of the good nutrients into my skin. Now, why I like this brightening one, okay, it contains, and I'm going to read it out to you, okay, so you know all the essential ingredients that have been infused into this mask. I told you somebody was trying to reach me, okay? So we've got the glutathione, okay? The glutathione, okay, it's known for its brightening effects, okay? And it brightens freckles and blemishes, okay? And then we've got the Oiza, okay? Just a minute. We've got the Oiza sativa germ extract, okay? Which helps to improve the skin tone, okay? So it improves your skin tone, okay? With ingredients extracted from rice germ extract, okay? Of the domestic red thyme. Oh my gosh. I can't fault Atomy Products at all, because they get their products from real natural resources, okay? And then you've got the third ingredient in this amazing mask, the brightening mask, is the beefy, pardon my pronunciation there, the Bifida probiotic ferment filtrate, okay? Yeah, that's it. The Bifida probiotic ferment, this one is not having it, filtrate, okay, which helps to strengthen your skin, okay, and improve your skin tone. So these are the three main ingredients, okay, here, that makes this so good. And then you've also, I think I missed one out, you've got the hypophane Romadies fruit extract. Basically, it's a fruit extract, okay? It's a fruit extract, and it helps clean and clear the skin. So with all this infused into this, all right, can you really go wrong with this mask? Trust me, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with this mask, okay? You cannot go wrong. That's it, okay? And then what happens is once it dries off, it falls off by itself, or you can just peel it off, okay? Just pull it off, because once it dries, it shows that all the nutrients have been absorbed by your skin. So you just pull it off, you know, because once it dries, it's not going to stick anymore on your face. So you just take it off. Okay, so this is Atomy Daily Expert Mask, but tonight I am using the brightening mask, okay, because I have a very important event I'm going for tomorrow, and I want to wake up, okay, with a nice skin tone and glow, okay? So once I take it off now, I'm just gonna go to bed, okay? All right, and guess what? Wake up tomorrow, all that nutrients have been infused and absorbed into my skin, and I'm so ready to go, okay, tomorrow morning. All right, so this is how I use my daily expert mask, okay? If there's a different way you use your mask, okay, you've got a suggestion, okay, please leave it in the comment section for me. We can learn from each other, isn't it? So if you have a different way you use your mask, or something you want to add to what I am doing, okay, that will help me, that's fine, okay? Let's exchange some knowledge, you know. So leave me a comment, let me know how you use your daily Atomy Daily Expert Mask, okay? I love it, okay? And it smells so good, right? All right, so let's watch how it turns out when it dries up. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back again. Look at what I said, I told you once all the nutrients are absorbed into your skin and the mask dries off, this easily comes off. See, it's not sticking on the face anymore because it's dried up. Okay, so this is all dried up now and it's gonna come out. Voila! Look at, I already feel the glow. Look at that. Come on, guys. Look at that. I already feel the glow. Can you see that? Okay. And because I use it at night time to prep my face for tomorrow, I don't wash. So what I do is I just go to bed and allow this rich nutrients to just stay, and then when I wake up in the morning, I get an even better glow. Okay, look at that, guys. Look, you can tell. Come on, why don't you pamper your skin? All right, and that didn't take a lot of time. Okay, I could do this, like, I don't even think about it, I just do it. So that's our daily expert mask. Okay, brightening. Okay, my next video, I'm going to do the firming. I'm going to show you how I use the firming, and then I'm going to show you how I use the moisturizing. Okay, so today I hope you enjoyed that video. Okay, this is me done now and you can see. Okay, I like showing the finished. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that glow, look at that smoothness, look at that tone, look at that. It's really nice. Okay, and then I go to bed and wake up in the morning feeling so good. Till I see you next video, you take care. Ciao, God bless. All right, see you in my next video. Your lady signing out. All right.